safer than your average. This system is safer than your average thermometers because it allows the person to be in a different room, safe away from the actual temperature check.
Safe, accurate, and affordable. Some fever detection systems can cost between $3,000 to $100,000. Too much for most people or businesses to buy. But the Aggie Thermometer ARM, developed by North Carolina A&T State University graduate students, is a cheaper option.
I would say the cost of designing this is $150.
The second prototype, called the Aggie Thermal Eye.
This one, we use the thermal camera as an input device, and it outputs thermal imaging on a screen.
The Aggie Thermal Eye gets a reading not from your forehead, but takes the temperature from your tear ducts.
For a more accurate model, it is better to consider the temperature from the tear ducts rather than the forehead.
Students believe the 3 months spent developing the technology could have a huge impact.
This is an opportunity to help, mitigate some of those unfortunate experiences, and going forward, have a very strong, system that helps us all.
The models are still in development, and the university can't sell or distribute them, but they can help companies or even school districts create their own.
And also, I think it would be a really good learning tool for K through 12 science teachers, where if some of the schools have 3D printing capabilities, or they could come to the university and we could print the parts for them as some sort of science instruction.
When you hear the music, just know lunch has